Hey Enza, hope this short video helps. I am logged on to Zoom. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And you'll notice here on the left-hand side, there's a Reports tab. You want to click into the Reports tab and get usage results. So now you'll notice here that you can drill down to a day, a couple of dates, or a week, a month. I'm going to go ahead and just pick up more information just so that you can see how it displays. So here's the meetings and all this extra information. What the beauty of this specific tool allows you to toggle down to the columns you want. So you probably want the username, user email address, maybe the meeting ID, maybe the topic, just some way to identify the meeting, but you probably don't need all this other information. So you can unclick. And so I just have 4 pieces of information. I've got the username, the user email. Now I don't know if you can get the name that the student assigned to themselves during the Zoom meeting, but I think this information could help you drill down. So I hope it's helpful.